Alright, so here is that pet urine spot that we just treated there a little bit ago. And I have a special tool here that I'm going to put on there, and you're going to be able to see a lot of that urine come out. See all that yellow, orange urine? Now what this tool is doing is it's extracting the product that we put in there that reliquefied the urine and broke up the salts. And then we use fresh, soft water. What we do is we allow the tool to pull the water through the carpet and the padding to pull out the urine. And this is a really important step because you can do that first part, but if you're not removing it by extracting it, you're not doing anything to it. You're just making that spot bigger. So what we'll do is we'll keep extracting this until all of that orange is gone, which sometimes might take a little while if there was a lot or if there's a repeat offender spot. But you can see the color change already. It's pretty good. And then the water that we're flushing with, it has a sanitizer in it. It's also going to kill any lingering bacteria and help with odor control. And that's one of the big differences between our company and a lot of other companies. We're actually removing the urine the way the carpet manufacturers want it removed, and getting rid of that source of odor so that your house stays nice and fresh. So see, there's almost no yellow coming out now. So I'll probably just do a little bit more here, but that's how we take care of pet urine. We actually remove it. Remove the source and you can remove the odor. So hope you guys having a great day, and I'll see you soon.